Hey everyone, welcome back to Endless Money Pits. This is a 2001 Chevrolet Corvette, and today I'll show you how to replace the rear side marker lenses. All the other videos I found only show how to replace the rear marker on the left side, which is the easy side. I will show you how that would be done, but the right side is more difficult because the mechanism for the retractable antenna is in the way, so I'll show you how I got around that as well. We'll also be upgrading to LEDs at the same time, but the process is essentially the same. Here are the tools that I used for this job. 11mm ratcheting wrench, and a pair of vice grips. For this job I also needed a light, and a set of replacement lenses. These new lenses have LEDs built right into them, and they plug directly into the existing bulb socket. Pretty cool. On the left side, all you have to do is remove the outer tail light and you'll be able to see the back of the side marker. You can easily reach in that way to remove it. If you try that on the right side, you can't see or reach the side marker at all. The only way to reach the back of this lens is from below the rear bumper. And it's not a bad idea to knock out the loose dirt before you stick your face under there. From down here, you can see that the lens is held in with two 11mm nuts. My socket wrench was too big to fit up there with a deep socket, so I was happy to have the ratcheting wrenches. You can do this with a regular 11mm wrench, but it will take a lot longer. These are special nuts that cut their own threads into the plastic studs on the lenses, so it's pretty common for the studs to break when trying to remove the nuts. Pull the lens from the bumper and twist the bulb housing to remove it from the lens. We need to reuse the old nuts, so I used vice grips to help remove the nut from the stud that broke off. If you're not installing LEDs, now is a really good time to replace these bulbs. These LEDs are a direct replacement for the bulb, but they don't work if you plug them in backwards, so make sure to test them before installing the nuts. If everything looks good, you can install the nuts onto the back of the lens. Make sure they're on straight, go slow, and don't over-tighten them. And now, the best part. I have more videos showing how to replace and upgrade the other exterior lights on your Corvette, so check those out too. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more of the best DIY videos on the internet. And until next time, just keep throwing money at it.